Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammad. As you know class, to begin our day, we always recite the Durud Pak. Now, all of you will recite these beautiful words after me. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammad. Good morning class 2. Welcome to English class. I am your English teacher and my name is Farwa Shaukat. To begin our today's lesson, we always have the message of the day, and our today's message of the day is you can learn something new every day if you listen. अगर आप सुने और समझें जो आपसे टीचर्स कहते हैं या आपके पेरेंट्स कहते हैं, तो आपको रोज़ कुछ ना कुछ नया सीखने को मिलता है. Alright, so you should learn every day. Our today's lesson's objectives are: you will be able to get more understanding of the given unit Pfizer's biscuit. Alright, we have done the reading already. So in this lesson we will be discussing about words, sentences and few exercises so that you can have a better understanding of the unit. Then we will be learning about the spellings and the pronunciations of difficult words. Then you will be able to make sentences yourself, and at the end you will be able to learn the concept of punctuation. आज के लेसन में हम punctuation भी करेंगे. That is very interesting exercise to do. Alright, so first of all we will begin with the misspelled words. Here you have the misspelled words. First one is restaurant. As you know, in the incorrect session you have spelling of restaurant which are not correct, and the correct spellings are in the correct section. You can see restaurant, then we have hungry, empty, wearing, biscuits. These are the 5 words which you should know according to the misspelled words so that you can correct it. Next we have words and their sentences. First word is restaurant. This is a famous restaurant. You can make any other sentence also, and I will really appreciate that. Empty. My lunch box is empty. Means there is nothing in the lunch box. खाली हो जाना. Hungry, as you know, it means you feel something, you feel hungry or you feel you want to eat something. जो भूख लगती है तो we feel hungry. So I am feeling very hungry. Wearing, we have already discussed this word. कुछ पहनना या कुछ पहने हुए होना. My friend is wearing a blue dress. Party, I am having my birthday party. Biscuits are in the box. You can make some other sentences also, like I like chocolate biscuits, or we are having a lot of fun with the biscuits. Like you always play some other with cookies, or sort of when you're sitting with your friends and cousins, so you always enjoy this type of things. Little, this is my little teddy bear. Okay, this is so clear and very easy words which you should know, and you can make other sentences as well. Now at page number 5 we have an exercise B2. These are the words which are given in that exercise. If you look at page number 5, we have these separate words which you can underline, and then we will make a sentence of all those words. First one is give up. You know what is the meaning of give up? Give up का मतलब होता है हार मान जाना या हिम्मत हार जाना. So do not give up your morning walk. आपको आपकी मॉर्निंग वॉक गिव अप नहीं करनी चाहिए, नहीं छोड़नी चाहिए. मॉर्निंग वॉक इज़ अ वेरी गुड थिंग. होल्ड ऑन मीन्स पकड़े रहना. होल्ड ऑन टाइट टू योर स्ट्रिंग. आप अपनी स्ट्रिंग के साथ या तार के साथ या रस्सी के साथ, रोप और एनीथिंग, उसको टाइटली पकड़े रखो. टाइट to your string. Hold on means to get grip on, पकड़े रहना. Pull out, please pull out the string. Pull out means खींचना. Laugh at means किसी पे हंसना, किसी का मजाक उड़ाना. Do not laugh at the poor. हमें गरीब पर नहीं हंसना चाहिए. Take away ले जाना या take away कर देना. Do not take away my book. Alright, these are very simple but very interesting words to make sentences for. Now at page number 6, see one exercise. Put capital letters and the full stops. This is very interesting exercise which I was talking before. This is a punctuation exercise. Look at the first sentence. Mr. Khan walked in an office. If you look at the first line, you see that there are no full stop, there is no capital letters. So in the first row you see Mr. Khan, M would be capital, and then you have a full stop after R. Khan's K should be capital, and we must have a full stop at the end. So at your right side you have the correct punctuation of the sentences. On the left side you have unsolved punctuation exercise. Number 2, the office was in Lahore. You see there are no capital letters. Lahore should be in the capital letter, L should be in capital. So in the next section you see the office was in Lahore with a full stop at its end, and L should be capital of Lahore. Number 3, one day Mr. Khan went to Multan. So again on the other side you see 1, O should be capital. Mr. Khan went to Multan. As you know, Multan is a city, and city's name should always be capital, like Lahore. Number 4, he stayed at the Royal Hotel on Nazmuddin Road. Again there is a punctuation mistakes. So in the right section you see he stayed at the Royal Hotel on Nazmuddin Road. Number 5, on Monday he caught a plane back to Lahore. Monday, as you know, Monday is the day of the week. It should also be capital. It should start with the capital letter. So on the other side you see on Monday he caught a plane back to Lahore. Lahore is again a city, and it should have first word capital with the full stop at its end. Alright class, now you have a home assignment. Make sentences of the following words. Number 1, window. Window, like you can make a sentence, my house has a very beautiful window, or she is looking through a window. There are birds sitting on a window. You can make a lot of sentences. Number 2, people. People, you know, people is already a plural word, so you can make sentence like people are going to the party, people are moving in the market, people are enjoying in the park. So people are should be there because people is a plural word. You would not say people is. Okay, so people. Number 3, basket. Basket, you know, the things in which we carry the things, this is called basket. So in basket you can have a lot of sentences like this basket is made of wood, or this basket is this is a very beautiful basket, and there are many vegetables or fruits in the basket. So you can make a lot of sentences by yourself. They are very much easy words to make sentences. Number 4, outside. Outside means बाहर होना, किसी चीज़ का out of sight, out of the sight होना. Like trees are outside the window, traffic is moving outside the house. There are many buildings outside the city. So you can make a lot of sentences. Thank you class, thank you so much. I hope you understood the lesson so far, and must try reading and make sentences of your own. Thank you so much. Allah bless you all. Thank you, class.